Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Hobby Lobby haul to share, and let me show you what I found. I found new clearance items. I just happened to be browsing and look. So the feathers, the glitter, that section, it's on clearance. So if you guys need some stuff from there, grab them. I just picked up these feathers because I have a use for these. Picked up the white one and the black one. And these are ostrich plumes. And the regular price used to be $2.99. I paid 74 cents each. So I picked up two, and it looks like you get two feathers in each package. So be careful when they package stuff into your bag. Look, my feathers got bent, so I'm hoping that I will be able to take those kinks out. We'll see. I may have to put it between some books or something to straighten those back out. So I got that one. And then the candle section was on sale too. So I picked this up. It's a aromatherapy candle making kit with 100% natural palm wax. And it's by Country Lane. Now, I thought I was making like a really fantastic deal on this, but I lifted this and look, its regular price is $21.99 and I paid $19.99. So, yeah, this was, maybe I should take it back and get my money back. I mean, I don't need it right now, so it wouldn't hurt me to wait to see if it'll go down. So, yeah, I only save, a couple of dollars? So, yeah. But it is, I mean, if you need this kit, see, it comes with a pouring pot, a thermometer, 1 pound of palm wax, 3 votive cups, 9 wicks, and aromatherapy, fragrance, and color. I really don't need this, so I just picked it up because it was on sale. It's one of those things you're like, oh, look, I can have an extra one. But, yeah, just so you're aware, regular price is only $21.99. So there's that one. And then I did pick up this one. These are the color squares, and they had the brown one on clearance for 74 cents. Regular price was $2.99. So I like to pick these up whenever I see them, usually like from thrift stores. When people don't want it, they'll just donate it to the thrift stores, and I'll pick up mine from there. So in case you're needing the brown color, the brown one's on sale for 74 cents. Now, I don't have too much for today's haul, but I'm sharing with you guys, right? And then these stencil blanks were also on sale. This is the 8x10 sheets, and you get 12 sheets in here. Regular price is $4.49. I paid $1.12. I picked up 3 packages because I do use these very often. I'm glad that Hobby Lobby is going to continue to carry the larger sheets because I like the larger sheets, but this was on sale, so I went ahead and picked up the smaller ones. And that was it for the clearance items. Now, from the harvest or the fall section, I decided to pick these up. This is the little trivet with the legs, and it's by Robert Stanley. Regular price was $4.99, and I paid like $2.99 because they're still 40% off. So I have some items that I want to display that I want to raise up, so this will work really well. I can prop it up with this. Since I was paying only $2.99 each, I went ahead and picked up 2. So these are really good to have, things like you're displaying stuff and you want to raise them up and make them different heights, right? So it's a cute little trivet. So This is 6 inches by 6 inches, and it's a nice thick board. See, it's about 1 inch thick, and then with the leg, it's at 1 3/4 maybe. I thought they were really nice. So this also comes in the round one if you need the round one. I wanted the square piece, so I picked up the square piece. See, quick. I don't have very much from Hobby Lobby today. Maybe next week, we'll see. Right, Hobby Lobby trips are always like vary, right? Sometimes I go for a specific item and then I just like expand. Other times I just browse and I come home with some stuff. I just wanted to share with you that in case your stores are not have not put these on sale yet, there's something coming in your future. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.